Good morning, students. Today I am going to tell about the topic computer devices. Okay, in computer there are four types of devices will be there, but in this video I am going to explain you only three devices: input devices number one, output devices, storage devices, and processing devices. Processing devices you will learn in the next class. So in this class I am going to explain you input devices, output devices, and storage devices. So coming to the here, if you observe this picture, devices, there are three types of devices are there: input devices, output devices, and storage devices. So coming to the input devices, if you see the list: keyboard, mouse, scanner, web camera, touch screen, microphone, digital camera, and so on. So next, coming to the output devices, there are three types of output devices are there: monitor, printer, and speaker. So storage devices, which is used to store the data. So hard disk, CD, compact disk, pen drive, DVD, SD card. So we will call as a secure digital. So generally we call it as a memory card also. Okay, coming to the heading input devices. So input devices, see here 1 2 3 4 5. There are so many devices are there. For this in this class I will explain you some of the input devices. One is the keyboard. So keyboard is the most common input device. So the data instructions are input by typing on the keyboard. General keyboard has 108 keys. It is used to type the letters. Coming to the mouse, mouse is a pointing input device of computer. It helps to control cursor that visible on the computer screen. Computer has two buttons, left button and right button, and one more is the scroller. It is used to make up and down. And mouse is also used to select the object and to draw the picture. A scanner is an input device that scan documents such as photographs and pages of text. So nowadays many scanners apps came: Adobe, okay, Cam Scanner, Google PDF, like that. So that scanner also you can use. Mobile also. Web camera. A web camera is a video camera that feeds or streams an image or video in real time or through a computer. So in laptop you can have a default camera, and if you are using desktop you can find the camera also. So we are using web camera also and digital camera also to store the information. Touch screen is a display screen that is an input device. The screens are sensitive to pressure. User interacts with the computer or mobile. So mobile also one type of touch screen, and ATM also one type of touch screen. And if you go to railway station, if you touch the screen, you can display the message of source and destination, what is the ticket reservation, like that also you can use the touch screen. So coming to the output devices, there are three types of devices are there: output, monitor, printer, and speaker. The monitor is the output device. It looks like a television screen. We call it as a visual display unit, and it is used to display information from the computer. So nowadays monitor sizes and their types also change. There are three types of monitors available. Old is the CRT, cathode ray tube, LED, light emitting diode, LCD, liquid crystal display. So nowadays we are using the LEDs monitors. Okay, coming to the printer. A printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfer the information to paper, usually to standard size sheets of paper. So there are types of printers are there: impact printer and non-impact printer. So if you observe this picture, this one is the dot matrix, old one. So nowadays we are not using. So inkjet printer, laser printer, and you can find the all-in-one printer also. Sorry. So all-in-one printer also. So color printer you can do. Speaker. Speaker is defined as an electrical device used to make sound or music. So speaker, it is used to listen songs, music, like that. So next, coming to the storage devices. This is very important. So storage means it is used to store the information. There are two types of storage devices are there. One is the permanent storage device, and another is the temporary storage device. And hard disk is the permanent storage device which is inside the CPU. And CD or DVD, the full form CD is compact disc or digital versatile disc. So CD, so nowadays we can have the CD, DVD. Is a type of compact disc to store large amount of data, especially higher resolution audio visual material. So the full form CD is compact disc, and the full form DVD is digital versatile disc, and it's nowadays we are using the Blu-ray. So pen drive, it is also referred as the USB flash drive, is a portable device, means we can take from one place to another place, which allow. So nowadays we are using pen drive mostly for the data to store, okay, to transfer data. Text means typing, images means photos, videos means MP4, like these songs also, to from one computer to another computer or mobile also. So next is SD card. So with the full form SD card is secure digital card, is an ultra small flash, provide high capacity memory. So SD cards are used in many portable devices such as digital video camcorders, cameras, computers, handheld computer, audio players, and mobile phones. So this is the regarding the devices. So once again I will just repeat you. So there are computer devices, there are four types of devices are there: input devices, output devices, storage devices, and processing devices. So processing devices means the CPU is the processing device. Devices: input, output, storage: keyboard, mouse, scanner, web camera, touchscreen, microphone, digital camera. Output: monitor, printer, speaker. Storage: hard disk, compact disc, pen drive, DVD, and SD. So input devices, these are the input devices, and there are three output devices: monitor, printer, speaker. Storage devices also four: hard disk, it is a permanent storage device, and CD, whenever you want to use you can use. So we are not using nowadays, so all we have to use the pen drive. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.